Hello friends, I'm going to make a light. So let me show you the picture. So here we're going to make. So let me put this back and let me make it. So we need a light. Let's open this. This is made by plastic and this inside is made by something type like power shocked. And let's put this in to connect. We need to put the dots in it so it will work. Let's go. We are first done. Second, we need a 2. So the 2 looks like this. It's shiny, and we'll put it over here. We need to hear the click. There we go. So third, we need the light. So number 18. Does this number say number 18? Yes, 18. Put it under and click. There we go. There. And now we need again a 2. And we'll get the 2. And that's the same as this one. We put that here. And when we put that here, we are going to move along here. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to direct that way. So we need the 17. This one, it has a red light, not like this one. If we remove that, it will be without the cover. But it's with the cover, this one's without. So we need to put number 17. This is this way. And when we put number 17 this way, it'll get a little bit wobbly and jiggly. We just put it back. And you see the light, it goes up like a bridge, but we will just push it in. So that's, now we're going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Same, but we need something new here. We need a 2. A 2. Plug it down like that. Then we'll just leave it like inside, then we can put something magic here. And that's what to make is this on switch. This is number 15. If you want something to be on, you need to push it that way. If you need something off, you push it that way. Like if you need a light on, you need to push it that way. It's not like this. It's like on and off. If you like, it will be like this way, not like this way, like used by plastic. But let's put this on and off it. Oh my! Put that there. We need something join. It's like same thing, and it's a 2 again, and upside down. We are clicking it, and we're done. So let's put it on. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye.